Topaz pressure cooker with Wide Open Bakelite Handles by SK Cookware. Aluminum material, low quality bakelite handle, poor safety weight and safety valve. The long-term health effects of consuming aluminum are not entirely known, but some health agencies recommend minimizing dietary intake as much as possible. Cooking wet, acidic foods in uncoated aluminum is particularly to be avoided, since they cause more of the metal to leach into the food than dry, non-acidic items. Aluminium as a metal is not good for human body. When we cook in aluminium cookware, utensils, small quantity of aluminum gets into our body. But due to its properties, aluminum neither gets digested nor gets out of the system as waste. Aluminum can react with certain types of foods, especially those that are acidic or contain spices like tomato sauce or citrus fruits. This can result in a metallic taste in the food and affect its overall flavor and quality. Aluminum effect on bone marrow leads to the formation of abnormal red blood cells, besides its effect parathyroid gland, and on musculoskeletal system is represented by abnormalities like osteoporosis and osteomalacia. Liver stenosis and nephrotic syndrome are other important manifestations of aluminum toxicity. I don't recommend this type of cookware. It is made of low-quality aluminum, which is not suitable for human health. The material and overall build quality are poor.